Welcome back to the shop. Tonight I'm going to do a quick review on the Craftsman combo kit. Comes with a impact and a drill. This is the 20-volt system. This kit also comes with a nice Craftsman bag. It opens up and you can carry your tools in it. Nothing really fancy, but it'll probably hold up for carrying your drills and stuff to job sites. Comes with 2 batteries, a wall mount quick fast charger, and I did charge these 2 batteries. They charge fairly fast, about 30 minutes, and they were fully charged. A couple of features that I really liked on these. It is a low profile battery. It has a little button here on the back that tells you how much power is left on the battery. One thing that I wasn't really crazy about is most 18 or 20 volt batteries, cordless drills and impacts these days, they have the batteries that attach from the bottom and have 2 buttons on the side that you can kind of squeeze to remove it. This one's a little awkward. It has a, if you can see right here, it has like a thumb button that you push down and slide out. Maybe I'm just not used to it. It just seems a little awkward, but you need to also push it down to reconnect it. Works pretty good. The drill itself has adjusting for how much power you want to put behind your drill bit. It also has a 2-phase switch. 2 gives you heard that, a little more power. If you set it on 1, it acts more like a regular drill. Not sure that I'd use this for driving screws or anything, because that's why you have the impact, and I really like the impacts a lot better. But the power on them is pretty good. Seems to drill holes fairly well. It's lightweight. It's got a good, nice, thick, rubber grip on it. It's got good protection. One of the other features I wanted to show you is, of course, it's got the standard button that goes, to reverse it or forward drill. But if you put it right dead in the center, it locks the trigger where you can't accidentally, or someone couldn't accidentally jump up and grab your drill and hurt themselves if you had, kids around or anything while you were working. Impact wrench seems to, it also fits really good in your hand. Has the removable battery. Can clip it in like that. Fits pretty good. These also come with 2 bits. This kit does. Comes with a Phillips head that fits your impact, and then also a bit that you could use in your drill if you wanted to. Let's see how well it works here. Put a screw. Plenty of power, feels good, went right in. That works really well. Again, this combo kit normally I think was Lowe's carried it for like $149 or something like that. This one was on sale for $99, and guys, for $99 or around that $100 mark, I think it's a pretty good buy. They seem to be fairly good quality. As everyone knows, Craftsman is now owned by Black & Decker, and there's multiple places where you can buy Craftsman tools. I have a lot of Craftsman hand tools and have had some of them for years. They make really good quality. These drills to me are definitely at-home DIY type drill. It's not something that I'd use commercially or anything, but most of us use these drills at home for projects, so I think that they'll work really great. One of the other features I like on it, it has an LED light. The drill and the impact both do, and so I'm going to just kind of show you what the light looks like. So guys, if you once you pull that trigger, it does have a pretty bright light, and if you just pull the trigger and stop, looks like the light will stay on about 10-15 seconds maybe before it goes off. However, it's pretty light, and as you can see, I can see well enough to, you know, put another hole in that so you can see really well. You know, it's a pretty neat feature if you're working in dimmer conditions. I don't really usually work at night with these, but a lot of people do, you know, and if so, it does give you good light on the job and the material that you're working on. Guys, so there you go. There's the demonstration of the light. Like I said, I thought that worked really well. These are good for guys and girls. It's not girls. It's not too heavy. So if it's something you like working, doing different woodwork where you would use a drill or an impact, ladies, this would work really good for you too. You know, so my recommendations, I'd give this for about the $100 range. I'd give it a 2 thumbs up. Good quality by Craftsman, plenty of power. The kit comes with a lot for $100. You know, you get 2 batteries, the charger, you get some bits, a bag. This product comes with a limited 3-year warranty. So, you know, I think you can feel pretty comfortable that if you have any issues with them a year or so down the road, that, you know, Craftsman has always stood behind their products, and so I think you can feel really comfortable buying them, and that you're getting something that's going to last you a while. So guys, girls, if this video, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. See you next time.